Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Accidental Doctor. Today in this video we are going to talk about another deemed medical college, which is Dr. D.Y. Patil Medical College, which is located in Pimpri, Pune in Maharashtra state. This college was established in the year 1995 and provides 250 seats for the MBBS course, among which 212 seats are for general and 38 seats are for NRI category. This college is affiliated by Dr. D.Y. Patil University and is recognized by NMC. Now let's have a look on the total MBBS fee structure. So the tuition fees is 27 lakhs per year with the annual increment of 7% each subsequent year. Other additional fees are eligibility fee, which is 2 lakh rupees. It is a one-time fee, and the caution deposit is 50,000 rupees, which is refundable. The other hostel and meals charges are approx 3,05,000 rupees per year. This is the approx amount. I will tell the hostel and meals fees further in the video separately. Earlier the tuition fees which I told you was 27 lakhs per year was the tuition fees for 1 year. Then I told you that the increment about the 7% increase each subsequent year. So the total amount which sums up and is 1 crore 35 lakhs for the entire MBBS course. So the total package amount for the MBBS course is 1 crore 60 lakhs 80,348 rupees. Now let's have a look on the NRI category fee structure. So the total tuition fees is $60,000 per year with 7% annual increase. So the total tuition fees is $3 lakh, and the eligibility fee, which is a one-time fee, is $2,700, and the caution deposit, which is refundable, is 50,000 rupees, and the hostel and meals charges are 3,05,000 rupees per year. Talking about the hostels, so 2 to 3 seater rooms are available. The hostel charges are 2,25,000 rupees plus 80,000 mess, and the total amount of hostel and meals I told you earlier in the video was 3,05,000 rupees per year. In a hostel room, you will get a bed, study table, chair and wardrobe with some additional facilities like TV room, guest room, indoor play area and 24/7 security. Now let's talk about the cutoff. The cutoff is 316 marks. So now if you are aiming कि मुझे 300 से 350 तक मिल जाता है, so ये कॉलेज मुझे मिल जाएगा. So sometime it's not like that. The college cutoff is 350 to 400 एंड लास्ट में एक सीट खाली रह जाता है तो कट ऑफ आ जाता है 200 तक, 200 तक. सो इट्स नॉट कि ये कट ऑफ है तो यहीं पे मुझे कॉलेज मिल जाएगा इस मार्क्स पे. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. यू हैव टू कलेक्ट ऑल द इंफॉर्मेशन and plan your counseling accordingly. About the campus facilities, so it is a deemed medical college with A grade facilities. There are so many facilities like central library, laboratories, auditorium, smart classrooms, indoor and outdoor sports facility, canteen and so many more facilities. In hospital, approx 2,000 beds are there with high patient flow in daily OPD. Dr. D.Y. Patil Medical College provides PG courses, super specialty courses and other courses as well. The total number of PG seats are 243. The fees for the MD course is rupees 1 lakh to rupees 6.2 lakh per annum, and MS course fees is rupees 3.2 lakh to 5.2 lakh per annum. Guys, if you want to know about our counseling services, so the detailed explanation of how counseling works is provided in the video. So the link of that video I have provided in the description below. You can check out that, and if you have any doubts, so you can call on this number, and stay updated by following our page @Accidental Doctor on Instagram, and make sure to subscribe this channel also to get more informative videos like this.